Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a very different giveaway in a very different location. I figured be appropriate. If you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do luxury fashion and occasionally beauty content on here. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again and staying subscribed. I'm gonna dive right in. First of all, I want to tell you guys thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I had no idea I would reach this milestone this soon, and it happened super fast. Originally, when I started this luxury channel, I do have another channel too, by the way, link down below. When I first started this channel, I thought I would immediately do a giveaway, and then I thought about it. I was like, it's probably not the best idea. Let me actually see who's interested in watching my videos before I try to start giveaway on here, and who actually likes my content before I start a giveaway on here. And that is why I waited. I said I would wait until I get to 1,000. Didn't realize it would be this fast, but it's happened, so yes! Thank you so much for those of you who continue to watch my videos, support me. I greatly appreciate it. So let's dive right into what I'm giving away. I have a Louis Vuitton item for you. It's already packaged. It has packaging, lots of tissue, so we will protect it no matter who wins. So there's that. It's a lot. Also comes with a carrying bag. I know some of you guys like to display these. I'm not one of those people, but I do respect those of you who do. So you'll get one of those, and you'll get this item from Louis Vuitton. You probably already know what it is because I briefly mentioned it in another video. And if you really are loyal, you already know what this is. So nice little slide open box, and it has a little gift card here. I don't think it says anything because I don't know who's gonna win. I guess I could write something in here, right? I probably won't though, because you might want to give this to someone or be bougie and write something in there yourself. So I'll probably leave it alone, but it has the ribbon in there too. Don't ask me how to tie it. I'm sorry, I don't know how. Comes with a dust bag. I'm giving away a mini pochette. This is from the Christmas 2020 collection, I believe, something like that. And it has the cute little Ferris wheel and a little guy here on there. Not really sure what it is. But in the event this is too crazy for you, you can flip it around and only wear it on this side. Now you can wear this so many ways. You can use it as a catch-all in a larger purse. You can wear it on its own. You can carry it like this. So you don't ever have to show this side if you don't want, but you have that flexibility. That's why I picked this item, because I'm all about versatility. Especially for those of you who may not have anything luxury yet. Versatility is the best idea when you get in your first item. This is extremely versatile. You have your color, and then you have your neutral wearable on the other side. So hopefully you guys like this as a giveaway item. In the interior, I believe there's paperwork. I actually sourced this from Japan, so that's why this part, I think it's Japanese or something, has that in there. And then I believe the actual paperwork is in here. Let's see. Eventually, you're gonna get it open? Yes. Okay, so here's a gift receipt. I've been holding it since September 29th. Make sure nothing important is on here. Okay, so this is the gift receipt. So you guys still have your paperwork on when it was purchased, all of that. So yeah, that will be inside of here. I believe, yeah, it has a textile card in there too. But the interior is the ballerine pink, or the pink ballerine. So really nice interior, easy to wipe clean. I'm so excited to give this away. And these are very popular. And I believe this one is still hard to find. Also, it's made in France. So I'm sure you guys will be happy about that, because I know a lot of you love that. Made in France. If you can see that, probably not. But I'll have a gleam widget down below on how you can enter. It should be near the top of the description bar. It's going to be very easy to enter, basically. You might have to do quite a few steps. Not a lot, but basically you have to be following me on all my platforms. Most importantly, following me and subscribe to me on both of my channels on here. But for extra entries, you can enter through other social platforms. Follow me on Instagram, for example. And the more stuff you follow me on, basically, the higher chance you have of winning. So keep that in mind. It's open internationally, and you must be 18 or older unless you have a parent or guardian permission. That's basically it. I will cover insurance. Obviously, it's a giveaway prize. I don't know who will host a giveaway and not cover that, but yeah. Good luck to everyone. I'm so excited to give this away and support one of you guys who have supported me through this journey. So yeah, follow the rules or you'll be disqualified. That's why I use Gleam, because it's very easy to throw out who didn't follow the rules, because it does it automatically. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Good luck to everyone. See you in the next video.